Uh,
Okay, I'm Survivor. Are you Survivor?
of course, I am. Hello everyone, I am Velim Panda and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are with Mr. Egghead. Yeah, there you go. I started recording.
Yeah.
I'm also hacking a computer right now. Are you? I'm like nervous because
But Beast is like right next to me.
I'm
He's like
trying not to
right
fail
next
the
to me, by the way.
computer. I hate this map.
SFO, but Beast is gonna instantly get me.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I almost failed the computer. I almost failed the computer. I can't believe that. Oh my, oh, okay. That's totally not me.
Okay, it's fine,
I'm
it's
gonna run.
fine.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the BBC came right after. Oh gosh.
What? What?
I'm
What is
like
that?
in a pool.
What's going on?
The beast is chasing me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the beast is chasing me. The beast was chasing me, but they don't know where I am.
I got. Okay, I was gonna say, are you not gonna grab
Oh
me?
my gosh! I just saw you. Oh my gosh! I can't believe this. I was behind you, by the way. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna try to follow. Oh my gosh! I got
Well,
hit!
this is,
I got
this is my
hit!
fate.
I got hit! No!
To die here.
Yeah. Oh my
Oh
god.
no,
Yeah.
that's
I'm
not good.
like captured.
I'm
Actually,
saved.
my screen right now is terrible. I'm like captured, but
No,
I'm
I started.
outside the capsule. Yeah. I was actually trying to save you. I saw you there. Oh my god. No camping! No camping. Camping's not allowed. Oh my god. I am dying. Hi. Thank you. I was actually
Oh, we
not.
gotta lock in.
Oh
I think you're gonna be the best than another one of us. Okay, that's not good.
my god. I'm like gonna hide for a while because the beast is like after me.
Okay, fine.
The beast
Okay.
probably has their, yeah, someone just
Oh no, we need him. He's really good. Let's just hide thing. I swear
please.
if you mess up,
Oh my gosh,
why Deborah?
I'm trying to go, but they're far. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Can this beast stop camping? I literally see the beast camping.
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
gotta get
Come out,
there.
come out. Please. Oh my gosh, please, I'm trying to save.
You messed up.
No, that wasn't me. I actually saved the guy.
How do you mess that up, whoever you are? Why Deborah? You are an interesting person. Don't go there.
Oh my gosh, you're at the last computer. Are you hacking right now?
Yep. That makes sense that she's a camper. Got caught.
She's camping, isn't she?
Did you just get caught?
I'm waiting for her to use her ability.
Whatever, we just have to hurry up, computer. I think that was you. That's fine. And again, Loriana, we kind of
I wonder if she's like capturing someone right now. Oh my! Oh, it's me! Oh, it's me! Yeah, it's definitely me. I'm getting captured right now.
This is final computer.
I'm also on my final life. Yeah. You're on your final computer and I'm in my final life.
We exit.
I
We
just
exit the
jinxed
song.
myself. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm so gonna die. Please. Oh gosh, yeah.
That was you. Okay. Good.
Goodbye. I'm gonna die. No one will be able to save me. Oh my gosh. No. Oh yeah.
You got saved.
No. I got hit again. The beast is literally
And
camping. That's not nice. Are you hacking right now?
puppy screw.
Yeah, I am dead. Oh my gosh. You're really trying to save me, huh?
Okay, that's just great.
I'm hacking with this guy that's in me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you got captured. I'm
See,
here
I'm
in the
kind of glad
corner.
she's camping because that means nothing happens to my health bar when she's near.
I'm here in the corner, by the way. Yeah, I can see you and I can see her.
Okay, now it's
I'm gonna
starting.
wait for her to leave the room first. Oh, wait. Oh, hi. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Oh my gosh! No, not me.
Oh,
Not me, not me. I'm gonna
oh no!
go here.
I led her straight to it.
Why did you let her to us? Oh my god. I can't get hit, so goodbye guys. I'm gonna ditch you. Yeah, I can't get hit again.
Oh my! She's camping.
I'm gonna try to
Final
find
computer.
another computer far away. Save them, save them, save them. Come on.
I can't. She's camping it.
Oh, she saved. Because I hate this. Oh my gosh, I hate this so much. Where is the computer? I'm trying to look for the
Better
computer.
mute him.
Oh my gosh, now we got captured. Okay, wait. I think I know where the computer is. Oh gosh, it's done. I can't have it anymore.
You just need to be done with this computer.
Yeah, I'm also
That's
trying to
all that's
find
needed.
computers.
Done.
Oh my gosh, hi. Wait, is the beast behind you?
She was. I think she went
Oh my
after
gosh, oh my god.
Oriana.
I'm going back to the room.
Everywhere.
We're like all coming back at the same room trying to hack.
She's just camping.
Yeah, but we're inside the room and I can't hack. Please let me hack, bro. I can't hack. Can you stop? Oh my god.
Oh,
This guy is not letting me hack. Oh my gosh. I can't hack. I think I'm broken. Yeah, I think I am broken. Um, can you come in this room and hack the computer for us? 'Cause I can't hack right now. Ooh, oh, I see. I see. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, this is gonna take up a video by
No,
itself.
no, please. I got it. Okay, so um, we're gonna die.
Oh, my game crashed.
Yep, I'm dead. Goodbye, y'all. I'm dead. We both died anyway. It's only
Oh,
the guy left. It's only him. Let's
I
watch
think I
him.
know who's gonna win.
Oh, oh, wait, are you?
But I hope that I'm
Oh,
wrong.
oh, they give up.
I don't think I am.
Okay. So, first round is done. You can like stop recording and record again, so you know your
The
footage
only reason we lost
your footage don't
already
get errored.
because
Is that a box? You have a monster. You're carrying a monster?
no, I'm carrying my sister like Tanjiro Nezuko.
Why is your sister in that? Why is your sister there?
Just like Tanjiro Nezuko.
Oh my god.
Except my sister's worse than Nezuko.
She has the cutest avatar. She has a nice, hair. I like the hair.
Okay. Shopping center.
Oh my god.
I am oh no.
Mm. But you don't have to worry.
Okay. Just
I'm
me,
bad at
myself,
being the
and
beast.
God.
On my phone, yeah. But in my laptop, I don't even know. Wait, like,
Alright, we got
Canada.
this.
I saw that girl taunting me. Where is she?
I really can't speak of things because yeah. Okay, what is this hide thing? I don't remember this.
Oh, it's here. Where are you?
Warn you? I'm
Where are
nowhere.
you?
You don't need to worry about me.
Where are you? I see a computer over here, but no one's hacking it.
You should worry about the others, not me though. Like I'm perfectly fine. I would never do anything to harm you.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Uh-huh. Oh, I
I would
see
never do
another
any
computer.
computers or anything.
Oh, someone just messed up the computer.
No, no, because like you don't need to go there, you know?
Yeah, uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'm gonna get you, girl. Yeah, I am gonna get you. Hey, oh my god, stop jumping! Stop jumping! Terrible. Stop it. Stop it. I hate being the beast. And now I lost the girl. Yep, I lost her. Wow, you guys really messed up the computers for me, huh? Are you guys telling me that I am I'm that bad at chasing you? Wow, I see two people. Is that you? Is that you? Are you one of them?
No, 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 I'm not.
Uh,
I'm not. Don't
where are you?
worry.
I know you're that someone. You're that someone. Oh god. Oh hi. Hi. I'm behind you.
Don't worry. If that's not me.
Yeah, that's totally you. I can see your
There
egghead.
was someone right behind.
Oh my gosh.
Of course, I was right behind you.
Wait, you were behind me all this time.
Just run, run.
Oh gosh, I don't
Nice
have
one.
a runner. Oh, are you seriously just gonna make me chase you all day? Where did you go? No,
I teleported out of existence.
not totally. Uh huh. Uh huh. Hey, is that you over here? Okay.
Okay, I'm fine.
Ah,
I
you're
lived.
gone already. Where is everyone?
Doing computers.
Wow, wow. If I didn't get a
No, a lot
notification,
of people.
maybe I would have captured. Oh, hi. Hello, Blondie.
Yeah, we really didn't want you
Hello,
to help, you
Ed.
know? Like,
Okay.
you have a history of not being good at helping nephews, you know?
I'm also not good at being the beast. Where is this girl? Where is this girl? Oh,
Typically,
hi.
you'll hit people with
Hi.
hammers, and that's
Hi.
totally
I got
fine.
you finally.
I'm not a big fan of you hitting us with hammers.
Stop jumping, Blondie. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are you, a fish? I finally got fish. Yay, I finally got
Nice one.
someone. I need to put her somewhere real fast. Oh gosh, I can't believe it. I just lost her again. Are you kidding me? Everyone's gonna escape without me. I see you. I see you. I see you, blackhead. I can see you. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'm good at like hitting, but I can't capture people. Are you kidding me right now? And I just lost her. Oh god. I can't believe this. Where are you all hiding? Where are you hiding? Wow, is that you that failed the computer?
No.
Uh-huh. Sure. Sure it wasn't. Sure it wasn't. Uh-huh. 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 Oh gosh, this girl. No, you're not supposed to escape.
I am, though. Because I
I
am a skate.
know. No. 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 Oh my gosh, I'm
I
on the wrong
escaped.
exit. Did you? Really? Hi. Did
What? What?
you
What?
skip? No.
Oh, there we go.
No.
I don't know if that was, but I
Where are
escaped.
they? Are you kidding me right now? Where are they?
You
Okay. Can you stop
guys
waiting
got,
for me at the exit? I
you
already
guys
know
got this.
the exit.
Oh,
Yeah, I know they're at the other exit. I can't believe this. Really? You just haunt me that bad? Huh? Oh my gosh, I don't even know this map. Well,
and she escaped. This.
where is she?
Okay. Or she's waiting. One.
Are you kidding me
She's
right now?
waiting for him. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I think we escaped.
No, you definitely lose. I definitely got you. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think we escaped.
Wow. Her avatar is really nice.
Okay.
Now that I look closely, it's really nice. It's hard, okay? Really. I like got a notification. And then I accidentally click it. I want to go here. I want to go to school. Well, I will be next week. Yeah,
And I like the airport more.
no, the school. Oh my god, everyone's voting for the airport. Mm.
Because the airport's way better.
Yay, I'm not the beast this time. And I will probably get hit. Oh, hi. Hello, let's hack this computer.
Oh, huh. They just lock in and do not mess any up.
We just walk in at the same time. I got here first. Yeah, I got here first. I did. I did. I did. Oh my
Um,
gosh,
um,
beyond! No, no. No. No, no, no.
so,
No, 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 no. God,
so,
I got hit.
that happened.
Wow. Well, I got hit. Hello, I was behind you. Why didn't you tell me someone was behind me? Why did you tell me the beast
I
is
mean,
behind me?
and
And
if I did, I probably would have been scared.
uh-huh.
I know, like,
Someone also just got
fine.
captured. So
And you were of a noble sacrifice. I will now finish the computer.
ah, wow. Uh-huh. Wow. I mean,
See, now the computer's finished.
really? Did you really? I'm gonna check it if
You
you
were a great, you were a noble sacrifice.
I will sacrifice you next.
I will forever respect how your sacrifice was made. By forever, I mean like for 5 seconds.
Wow. Wow. Really nice. Oh my, like that getting stuck.
Here the computer is.
I'm trying to
So
find the
that never happened.
I don't know who did that. I didn't do that. I'm actually looking for a computer right now, and I can't see anything. I mean, anywhere. I see the beast. I see the beast. Whew.
On that side, no.
Oh hi. Can I hack with you? Um, you better save him. You better save him. Someone's also running for them.
Mm.
What we're really
No,
for?
because like that was a noble sacrifice. That was like a noble sacrifice, so we don't want to help them up. They want to die in a noble way.
I just failed the computer because of that. Oh my,
Imagine.
oh my gosh. Okay, and now I got captured. Wow, your joke is so nice. That I messed up the
Don't worry,
computer,
it was a noble sacrifice indeed.
and then my game lagged, and then now I am captured. I'm
Don't
standing
worry, it was a noble sacrifice indeed.
here in this really, really, really cold capsule. Anyone wanna see? Oh, wow. Okay, so two of us are like, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. You better save the,
Oh.
you better save Yuka. Oh my gosh, hide, hide. Hide, bro, you need to hide. Oh,
Your sacrifice wasn't in vain.
hey,
Saved.
if I mess this computer up, what do you do?
Yeah, why would you do that? Why would you just mess the computer up? Come on.
Well, you did it. You
Do
did it
that.
for me.
Come
You
on. That's
sacrifice.
horrible. You
Oh,
shouldn't. Ooh, computer.
oh, guys. Oh my god. I'm crying.
Stop being captured.
I was like hiding, and the beast probably smelled me Yeah. She probably smelled the sweet donut and ice cream on me, so she started capturing me. Yeah. I think it's a good time for me to hide because right now I might die. If I get captured again, I will probably
Who's it
die.
up there?
Are you getting chased right now? What's happening to you? Uh,
So she used a boost.
oh. Oh, she's a runner. Oh,
Uh,
she,
I made a noble sacrifice indeed.
yeah. It's your time to shine. It's your time to be the sacrifice.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, I was behind, by the way.
I know where the final computer is.
Oh my god! I got hit again and again. Painfully. Painfully is
I
a
know where the final computer is, but it appears that she does too.
oh. So I got hit and I'm jumping away. Like
The
actually.
final computer is like right where I am.
Are you kidding me right now?
Like I can see it.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Almost nearby. Oh, is it this one? Oh wait, it's upstairs? Is it upstairs? It's upstairs, isn't it?
That hurt. That hurt like really badly. Come on.
Well, you make a great sacrifice. I will be hacking a computer downstairs. Okay, so I'm hacking a computer right now, don't you worry. I hope someone saves you though, but I won't be able to. Someone there, yeah. I'm hacking right now. With Tax and with Lee. Please tell me you didn't bring the fish over here. I didn't. Oh my gosh.
Oh come on.
Almost done.
My game crashed. Maybe it didn't.
Your game crasher. Oh my gosh. No! Everyone's with me.
My
You're
game
not
did.
allowed to do. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me see. Oh my gosh, where are you? Where did
You
you?
guys got this.
Oh my gosh, you left the game. Now I'm getting captured. Your game crashed. My game crashed earlier too. Okay.
Don't worry, you guys got this.
I'm trying to open the exit right now. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this.
Yeah, just don't save them, you know? Like, just don't.
Excuse me. Oh my gosh, she just left. I am not gonna leave. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I am gonna die. Yeah, I am gonna die for saving the girl. Anyways, well, at least I saved some.
How'd you pull that off?
How do I pull what off?
Fine.
Huh?
Like I could never. I could only crash, you know? I could never die.
You could never what?
I've never fully frozen to death. In my 50 years of playing this game, I've never. I'm level 2 because I played on my old account, yeah. I,
Mhm.
I was such a pro on my old account, but it got, like, yeah.
I can't believe this. I saved someone. Okay.
Back rooms.
Now,
Trust.
no, we're going into the facility. We're going
Ah,
here.
back rooms.
We're going here or
Off back.
nuclear. Okay, yeah.
Off
I
back
agree with her.
rooms. Back
Facility.
rooms, guys. Back
Yeah,
rooms.
we're not.
Trust. Trust.
No, nuh-uh. We're going here to the
Trust.
facility. Yeah,
Trust. Back room.
no.
You guys are so mean.
And then, if you're the beast in the background, sure. Yay. I am not next to.
Ah.
I hope the beast doesn't stand near me. That will be terrible. Really, really terrible. Okay. I'm trying to look for a
Okay.
computer, but I don't find any right now. Is someone in here? Oh, it's
I beast. Twisting and turning. I give a fire and have to stay burning. Let's play a game, okay? That's what I'm serving.
oh my god.
And if
I'm
you
so
win,
sorry.
you'll get what you're yearning.
I just messed
Take a
someone.
look up right here at this bag. It has the winds of a storm all trapped. All you gotta do is not open this bag. That sounds too easy was to catch. Ha ha ha. Keep your friends.
The
That's
beast is
bad.
like coming and we don't care about the beast. I just rolled the beast. I can't believe this. I'm running to the middle room right now. And the beast is not with me. There's a computer here in the middle room. If you'd like to come and help me.
You guys are getting my nerves.
And she just messed up my computer. Are you? Oh my gosh, you're the beast! Oh my gosh, you're the beast. You're the one I shuttered the door on. No, 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 no. You won't get me, bro. You won't find me. You, I am gone. I am gone on main set. I'm hiding on plain
Because
set.
like you should come right towards me, you know? You should come right to me.
Uh-huh, no. Oh my. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Yeah, we finished it. We got it. We got it. Oh my gosh.
Because like this is when I lock in now, you know?
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh gosh, I miss you. No.
This is why the backrooms would have been better, you know? Like the backrooms. Such a better map to do this on.
I was just joking about you being the beast. I didn't also ask you to be the beast. Oh my god.
Okay, can you guys like fail the next one? You know?
No. I can't even find the computer right now.
Good.
Wow. Oh well, I
Oh, I
just
found it.
found one. I found one. I will.
No, I don't think you did.
I will be careful. I won't fail this. Yeah, I won't fail this. Uh-huh. I told you I'm not gonna fail any computer. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That isn't me. I didn't fail any computer.
But the second I opened the door, let's see if they close the door back on me. These people are cruel. Why are you guys so cruel? So mean.
I'm halfway. Come on. Come on. Let me finish this computer. Let me finish this computer. Oh, are you kidding me? I was hacking a computer. She already finished before me. It's terrible. I'm gonna finish it anyway. Yep. And this is terrible because I don't know where she is. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. But it's the, oh. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. 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 Oh god, I almost opened it. No.
Sorry.
Yuka, save me, Yuka. Yuka. Yeah, Yuka. No, 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 no. Ugh, I should have followed my instinct. I shouldn't have gone to that exit. Wow, really shut the door in my face, huh?
Yeah, like I see her. So like I'm just gonna.
No, stop it. No, you're joking. Is this how it's gonna end for me again? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You went to your exit, didn't you?
What?
Oh god.
I went the
Like
other
Robin.
one. I went the other one. Come on, where's my teammate? Where is Yoka? Hi. No. I'm
If my ability just
yeah.
okay.
I hope she escaped. Oh my gosh, she's
Well, I'm gonna end the recording now.
she's hacking.
I'm sure I could edit that into 2 videos if I really wanted.
Oh wow, okay, okay. I'm gonna stop recording when she's like done. No.
Okay, why am I stuck here?
Because
Let me out of here.
she's still playing. Yeah. And right now she's gonna go to an exit.
Is someone still alive?
Yeah, it's my teammate.
Oh, they're still here.
Oh my gosh. No! Run! Run, 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 run.
So if I get them out, does
What?
that mean that I half win?
Um, well, I don't think that's possible.
Like if I get half them out,
No,
do I
you
half win?
no, you didn't get any. We didn't
Oh,
get
this is
a
sad.
win right now. Alright, let's go. We will end it here. Let's go outside. Yeah, let's go outside. Come over here. Okay, everyone. So that is
Okay.
all for today's video, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Do you want to say
Okay.
goodbye? Hey, do you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Oh wow. All right. Okay. So yeah, that's the goodbye we got. Anyway, see ya.